Hello and welcome. Do you feel like your money controls you instead of you controlling your money? Do you worry about bills, debt, or just not having enough saved? Well, you are not alone. The good news is you do not need a big salary or a lucky lottery ticket to change your financial life. Really happens through small daily habits. Today, I am going to share with you 9 simple daily habits. If you do not these every day, they will completely change your relationship with money. Please make or tap on the subscribe button in order to make big family. Let's get started. Habit 1 that changes your financial money life. Check your money daily. Imagine driving a car with a blindfold on car light, but that is what many of us do with our money. We do not look at our bank account because we are scared of what we will see. Habit number 1 is to check your money for just 5 minutes every day. You do not need to do a deep analysis. Just open your banking app on your phone. Look at your checking account and saving account. See what you spent your money on yesterday. Why this works? This habit removes the fear and surprise. You are always can where you stand. You see a problem before it becomes an emergent. Example. Let's say you check your account on Tuesday morning and see you spend $40 on eating out of Monday. You think, okay, I have already spent a lot on restaurants this week. Maybe I should pack my lunch today. That is a small, smart decision you made because you checked. Habit 2. Track every single expenses. Money seems to just disappear, does not it? Where does it go? Habit 2 will give you the answer. Track every single rupee, dollar or pound you spend, every coffee, every busy ticket, every online subscription. You can use a notebook, a note app on your phone, or a budgeting app. Write it down as soon as you spend it. Why this works? You cannot change what you do not measure. This shows you the truth about your spending. Example. Sarah buys a coffee every morning for $5. It does not feel like a lot, but at the end of the month, she looks at her tracking app and sees $5 times 30 days equal $150 just on coffee. Now she knows that if she makes coffee at home just half the time, she cannot save $70 a month. That really money. Habit 3. Ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Before you buy anything that is not a regular bill, stop just for 10 seconds and ask yourself this powerful question. Is this a need or is this a want? A need is something you must have to live and work, food, rent, basic groceries, electricity. A want is something that is nice to have but not necessary. A new video game, another pairs of black shoes, eating and fancy restaurant. Why this it works? This thing possibly stop you from making impulse buys. It makes you think. Example. You are walking through the mall and see a new smartphone. Your current phone works perfectly fine. You want the new one. You stop asking, in this this I need or I want. Admit it is it. I want. This does not mean you can never buy it. It means you can now plan for it. Maybe you decide to save for it next month instead of buying it on credit today. Habit 4. Cook one more meals at home each day. This is one of the easiest ways to save a lot of money without much effort. Try to cook one more meal at home than you usually do. If normal, eat breakfast out. Try making toast and eggs at home. If you always buy lunch, try packaging and lunch from dinner leftover. Why this works? Eating out is very expensive compared to cooking at home. The saving and add up incredibility fast. Example: John used to buy his lunch at work every day for about $12. That is $60 a week. Now he packs a lunch 4 days a week. His home bay lunch cost about $3 to make. He saved $9 per day, which is $36 per week. That is over $140 per month saved just by packaging lunch. 5. Drink more water and less expensive drinks. This habit is good for you, health and your wallet. Make a habit of drinking water instead of buying expensive drinks. Carry a water bottle with you before you buy a soda, juice, or expensive coffee. Drink a glass of water first. You might find you do not even want the other drink anymore. Why this it works? Those small purchases for drinks are silent budget killers. Water is almost free. Example: Maria would always get a large soda with her lunch for $2. She started carrying a water bottle. By skipping that one soda a day, she saves $12 per week or $50 per month. That is $60 per year just from drinking water. Habit 6. Follow the 24 hours rules for all non-essential purchases. How often do you see something, buy it immediately, and then regret it per week later? This habit stop that. For anyone that costs more than a small amount, says $25, implement the 24 hours rules. Something you want, do not buy it right away. Wait for 24 hours, sleep on it. Why this works? It kills impulse buying after 24 hours. The urge to buy often disappears. If you still want it after that, it is probably a through purchases. Example: you see a cool new kitchen, budget on it $50. Instead of clicking buy now, you close the tab. The next day you cannot even remember what the gadget was. You just saved $50 if you still remember it and really want it after 24 hours. Then you can go ahead and buy it without guilt. Habit 7. Learn one new thing about money each day. You do not need to be a financial expert, but learning a little bit every day will make you smarter and more confident. Spend 10 minutes each day learning about money. Read a personal finance articles, watch a short video like this one, or listen to a podcast about investing for beginners. Why this works? Knowledge is power. Understanding what is like interest, investing, or credit score will help you make better decisions for your future. Example, one day you watch a video explaining what a high yield saving account is. You run it, pays more interest than your normal bank account. You decide to move your emergency fund to one. Now your money grows faster without you doing any works, or from 10 minutes of running. 8. Habit. Celebrate your small wins. Getting good with money is not about punishment. It is about building a better life. So remember to celebrate. When you hit a small goal, celebrate it. Did you stick to your food budget all week? Celebrate. Did you resist any impulse buy? Celebrate. Did you save your first $100? Celebrate. Why this works? Celebration makes you feel good and keeps you motivated. It turns good financial behavior into a positive habit, not a chore. Example, you wanted to save $500 for any emergency fund. You finally reached that goal. To celebrate, you take $20 from your funny money budget and have a nice dinner with your family. You celebrate your success without hurting your budget. Well done. 9. Habit. Be grateful for what you already have. Our last habit may seem simple, but it is the most powerful one for fighting the urge to spend. Every day, take 1 minute to think about what you are grateful for. It could be your health, your family, your phone, or your home, or even that old phone that still works perfectly. Why this works? When we are grateful for what we have, we feel less or a need to buy new things to make us happy. We stop comparing our life to others on social media. Example, you see a friend post a picture of their fancy new car. You start to feel jealous and want a new car too. But then you practice gratitude. You think, I am grateful for my car. It gets me to work safely every day. It pays off. I have no car loan. This feeling of gratitude makes the jealous go away. You feel happy with what you have, and you do not make a bad financial decision. And there you have it. 9 daily habits that can truly change your financial life. Number 1. Check your money daily. Number 2. Track every expense. Number 3. Ask need or want. Number 4. Cook one more meal at home. Number 5. Drink more water. Number 6. Use the 24 hours rule. Number 7. Run for 10 minutes. Number 8. Celebrate small wins. Number 8. Practice gratitude. You do not have to do all 9 at once tomorrow. Start with 1. Maybe just track your spending for a week. Then add another habit. Small steps every day create a huge changes our over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tips. Sharing this video on your friends and write a comment of this video. Now go out there and take control of your money. You do this. Thank you so much.